welcome back to LJ Place, and today we have more Bling series. And if you haven't seen our last video, we opened Splash Queen. In our last video, we opened a gold ball, and in this video, I want to open a light pink ball. Let's pick out a light pink ball. I'm gonna go with this one. Before we open the ball, we have to weigh it first. So let's weigh it. This ball weighs 118 grams. Time to unbox. Ooh, let's see what we got. Okay. Ooh, we got a new hint. It says glow up. Glow up. Ooh, what could that be? Look how cool that star is. Okay. See what the next one is. It's a light pink ball. Oh, the ornament is so crazy. So we got the water surprises. Look how cute the heart is. Okay. This last layer off. Okay. Time for the invisible layer. Whoosh. It's long. Okay. Let's open our light pink ornament like an egg. And we're unwrapping a Christmas present. Okay, we got a checklist. This is a yellow bottle with a red sparkly cap. Maybe my guess is honey bun. Time to open the doll. It's Heartbreaker! Wow! She can hit the splits. Her legs are insanely adorable. Little hearts. Look how cute. Look how cute she is, you guys. And look at her legs. They have little hearts on them. And it kind of looks like a card game. And her hair is also tinsel glitter. And it is black and white, just like the original Heartbreaker. Here's Heartbreaker all dressed up in her adorable Queen of Hearts outfit. Okay, time for ball number 2. Let's find a color, and I think I'm going to go with hot pink. Let's use this one. And I'm hoping for a bonbon. Yeah. But first we must weigh it. This ball weighs 130 grams. Now we can open it. Let's do it. Okay, let's see what's the first. Let's see what the hint is. First layer, first hint. Ooh, it's another glow up, but it's a different ball. So, interesting. Okay, my favorite layer, only because it rips off the chain, kind of. Well, the chain rips off of the plastic. So, here we go. Roar! Okay. Yes. Time for the final layer. We have our hot pink ball ready to go. Let's do this. Egg. Open Christmas present. I don't know if this is the doll or not. It probably is because it's huge. But let's go straight. Roar. And Prankster! Oh my god! Oh, her legs. Everyone's hitting the splits. Everyone's hitting the splits. Okay. Wow, she's something else. Something real good. Like, her hair is just like a kaleidoscope. It's got... Here it's Pranksta, all dressed up in her awesome mix-match outfit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button. So, who's your favorite? Like, comment down below. Would you rather get Heartbreaker or would you rather get Pranksta? Comment that down below, and then bye. Love you guys.